This chapter deals with medicine that is based on the patient's body weight, and it's going to help to know the patient's weight in kilograms. So 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pounds. And to convert from pounds to kilograms, we need to divide by 2.2 and then round to the nearest tenth. So at this step, we always round to the tenths. So it says, calculate the correct dosage and round final answers to the nearest tenth. A patient weighs 143 pounds. If the doctor prescribes 2.1 micrograms per kilogram, how many micrograms should be given? So I want to start with the weight. So I'm going to take 143 and divide it by 2.2 and round to the nearest tenth if we have to. And on this one we actually don't have to because it just equals 65. So the patient weighs 65 kilograms and we're supposed to give them 2.1 micrograms for every kilogram of body weight. So I want to use this in a proportion. And I put the 65 kilograms on the bottom so that it matches with the other kilograms. And then I need to solve the proportion. So you multiply the diagonal that does not have the x, 2.1 times 65, and then divide by the 1, although that's not going to really do anything. And we get x is equal to 136.5 mcg. So a patient who is 143 pounds would receive 136.5 mcg of the powder drug.